big update coming in on the story. A team of BMC officials have now reached the Habitat Comedy Club, which hosted this Kunal Kamra show, and they've turned up there with hammers. Are we going to see now the Habitat Comedy Club being demolished simply for hosting Kunal Kamra, where in fact he sang that Shinde parody song? At this point, we'll have to see what plays out. We're going to connect with our reporter Dipesh Tripathi is live with us for more on that. Dipesh, what's happening? Are we going to see a demolition of the comedy club now? Dipesh, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes, there are possibilities, and this is the possibility which cannot be denied. A few minutes before, the BMC officials reached here. They have inspected the whole place, and after that, the equipments which are used to demolish were taken inside, like hammer and other breakable equipments. Breakable machines, they were taken inside. So there is a strong possibility that that might be the structure can be demolished, the illegal structure or a part of an illegal structure can be demolished, but yet no official conversation has been made by the BMC officials right now. But let me tell you, when Shiv Sena leader Pratap Sarnaik visited Khar police station today morning, he specifically said about the structure, that this structure is also an illegal, and he'll going to complain regarding this to BMC commissioner. And this is not the first time when Habitat Studio is in the news because of such controversial statements. Before this also, this place has been always remained in controversy. So definitely the place is now on the target of BMC. We can say that because higher officials of the BMC have reached here, they have inspecting the place, and as you can see, the police has been deployed here to maintain the law and order situation right now. But whether the illegal structure or illegal part of this Habitat Studio will be demolished today or not, this will be confirmed by the BMC officials who are there inside. But looking the whole picture over here, the way BMC has entered into this hotel premises, they have taken the equipments which are used to break the illegal structure, to demolish the illegal structure. Looking to that, it is said that might be illegal structure or illegal part of structure of the Habitat Studio might be demolished by BMC today.